Hi everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into Capital One credit card account. If you'd like to manage your credit cards, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. If you'd like to log into Capital One credit card account, first open up your web browser. In the address bar at the top of the screen, go ahead and type in www.capitalone.com. Press the enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in the main homepage of Capital One. Right in the homepage, you'll be able to see a username box and the password box at the top of the screen. Start off by typing in your username in the first text box and head over to the next field where it says password and type it in correct. If you'd like the system to remember your username, you can click on this Remember Me box. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, make sure to leave this box unchecked. In case you don't remember your username or your password, you can click on this link that says Forgot Username or Password. Follow the instructions and you'll be able to look for your username or to be reset to a new password. Finally, after typing in your credentials, click on the Sign In button and you'll be logged into your Capital One credit card account quick and easy. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.